So hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Dine with Jane. I'm doing good myself. So today morning I thought I'm gonna show you how I make some poached eggs. I came from the gym and I love eggs after a good workout, so I thought I will show you how I do some poached eggs. There's so many variations on which you can do your poached eggs, so mine works for me. Hopefully whatever you do works for you, and as I said, there's so many variations. So some of the things that I normally use on my is some salt and just apple cider vinegar, and that's it. So I'm using an organic one here, and I have 2 fresh eggs that I got from my chickens this morning. A pot of boiling water already on. So the water has come to a gentle simmer, so I'm gonna add some salt. As you can see, it bubbles it up, and then I'm gonna add in the cider vinegar. If you don't have cider vinegar, you can use white vinegar. So I'm using like a tablespoon of vinegar there. I'm just gonna swirl that around to make sure that the vinegar mixes in properly, and after that I will drop in my egg one by one, and my timer to 7 minutes. And so my poached eggs are done. I'm just gonna take them out, and sometimes what you can do, if you're not sure whether they're done, just touch them and feel whether they're hard or soft, and that feels perfect for me. As you can see, the alarm just went on, so that feels perfect. Yeah, and that's how you make your quick and easy poached egg. No hustle, no bustle. Give that a try. Suppose we can move back here a little bit. Now I hope you can see from where you are. Woo-hoo-hoo. That looks amazing. So I'm just gonna bring it again, and you can see. So that's perfectly done how I like it. If you want it to be cooked a little bit more, just add another minute or so. If you don't like it that runny, but that looks amazing to me. It looks perfect. So yeah, hope you enjoy, guys, and until then I will see you. Until next time, I'll see you. And if you do try, do tell me what type of eggs you like. Are you a poached egg type of person? Are you a boiled egg? Do you like fried egg? Do you like omelets? What do you like? How do you like your eggs? And how do you like your eggs done? Do you like them hard boiled, as in poached really hard, or do you like them soft, or even runnier than how mine are? Sometimes I'm more careful because I'm using my own eggs from the chickens, from the ones that I'm rearing, so I'm a little bit careful when I'm the type of eggs that I'm eating. But yeah, because they're not pasteurized, but I know they're healthy, but I need to be a little bit careful, so I need to cook it a little bit more. So hope we'll see you again on my next video. Please don't forget to comment, like and share, and until then, bye for now. Stay blessed.